here are our two available Persian kitten females. This is kitten number 1 on our website, and this is kitten number 3 on our website. We do have 3 kittens, but one of them is reserved, and it's the male, and these 2 are the females. She's gorgeous. My God, isn't she, guys? She's so beautiful. And then this one, we just added her, so she's still a little scared in here. We just gave her Booty a little groom. I think she's unique because look at her little eye. It's got eyebrow. Gosh, she's gorgeous. She really is. I love that one. She's my favorite of these 2 girls. Little watermelon bow girl. This little girl is a chocolate tortie as well. She's starting to move around. But when they get in here at first, they are just so scared. It's scary. It's a scary big world. Plus, they don't have any traction in here. Hi, beautiful little baby. She's like, I'll just get behind this thing, whatever this is. You guys can probably hear our dogs. There was a vehicle that went by and they heard the vehicle and now they're all going crazy. That's what dogs do. Dogs be dogs, don't they, kitties? See, that's why we scratch them sometimes, because they're crazy. Aw, he's so cute. Oh, girls are so cute.